Coming in with some melted butter. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some minced garlic, and I am just gonna start putting some dollops of this throughout all of our rolls here. It's gonna give them a great flavor, really mixing it up and mashing it up with what we're trying to do with this delicious, easy family meal. Coming in with some Italian seasoning, and we are just going to generously apply this to all of our Rhodes rolls here. Now you can see we're doing an Italian inspired dish today, perfect for the whole family, and you can use whatever spices you like. We're gonna use a little bit of crushed red pepper, but if you prefer not spicy foods, you can just leave this off. All right, that's it for now. I'm gonna close the lid on my hababichi and I'm just gonna let those rise. Alrighty guys, we've been letting this rise for a couple hours. Look how fabulous this looks. All right, I am gonna spray down my hands with some Pam cooking spray. Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Fresh dough with our Italian herbs and garlic, and we are just gonna kind of contain her now into a more reasonable size, pressing some of that air, but leaving this delicious flavor and gorgeousness. Ooh, you hear that? It reminds me of fluffing a pillow, but de-fluffing. Pizza sauce. We are coming in with our 6-pound can of pizza sauce. I'm just gonna use my hababichi flipper to kind of smooth this out here. Gorgeous. And we do wash our hababichi flippers in the dishwasher in between uses. Garlic Alfredo. We like to do multiple sauces. Beautiful.
Such a good combination.
Some low moisture shredded mozzarella. This is a 5-pound bag, y'all. We like to get ours at Smart and Final when we're doing big quantities like this. But of course you can just get your normal pizza ingredients at whatever grocery store you normally visit. But I think, oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so yummy. This is Detroit style, perfect for your next Super Bowl. Bell pepper strips. We just use our tri-bell peppers, tri-color, and we just cut them into strips. We did have 2 greens though. Look at this, green. I don't see any blue on this pizza. Both teams for the Super Bowl are blue colors. Some red onion. Beautiful color and flavor. Autentico Italian dinner here. Coming in with our olives, my fave. Yummy, 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 yummy. Supreme pizza for the blue team. Some mushrooms, y'all. If you're a mushroom lover like me, beautiful. We've got some pepperonis here, which I'm just gonna generously sprinkle. Of course, if you wanna leave half of this vegetarian or use sausage on the other half, that works too. I just love me a pepperoni. Wow, I love it when it comes even like in its own little sausage stick and you can just cut it or bite it off. So delicious. Alrighty, y'all, our hababichi is turned on. We've got this on medium low, and now we're closing the top to let this cook. Alrighty, everybody, check this out. Detroit style deep dish pizza. The best way to feed a group. This is our trial run for our Super Bowl party. I am so excited because this is killing it. Now we know this is gonna be the perfect thing to serve to all of our guests. Oh yeah, that crunchy crust on the side there. Yummy.
Oh, man.
Look at that deep dish, baby. Oh yeah.
So good.
Detroit style, made easy, y'all. You gotta try it.